Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we learn how to find out area of a triangle in trigonometry. This is a triangle ABC. How to find out area of this triangle? If two sides of a triangle and the angle between them is given, then area of the triangle would be as over here. For example, the side A and B are given and the angle between them, angle at the point C, is given, then area of the triangle ABC would be equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by sine of the angle between them at the point C divided by 2. This way we'll find out area of the triangle. Exercise 6B, question number 1. Find the area of each of the following figures. We solve part 1 first. This is the figure in part A. We are going to find out its area using the formula. Using the formula for area of the triangle, 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by sine of the angle between them, which was 72 degree, divided by 2, which results 34.2 centimeters square. Correct to 3 significant figures. Now we solve for part C. In the triangle GHI to find out its area. The angle between them, the angle between the two given sides is the angle at the point H. First we will find it out. First we find out the angle at the point H using the angle properties of the triangle. You know, sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. We subtract the sum of 62 and 57 from 180. This way, angle between the two given sides we have found, which is 61 degree. Now, using the formula, now we solve it. It results 41.5 centimeters square. Now we find out area of the parallelogram in part E. To find out area of this figure, first we'll convert it into two identical triangles. Now we find out area of the beneath triangle, then we'll double it, and this way area of the parallelogram we'll find out. This way, using the given values, solving it accordingly, results 27.4 centimeters square. In part F, there is given a rhombus, and this rhombus is easily divided into two identical triangles. Find out area of one and then double it. This way, area of the rhombus we can find out easily. In second and third question, first we'll draw the figure with the help of the given information, then we'll find out its area. I do question number 3. In the triangle PQR, angle P is given as 72 degree. Side Q means the side opposite to the point Q is 152 centimeter and R is 125 centimeter, means the side opposite to the point R is 125 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle PQR. With the help of given statement, we have drawn the figure of this question. Now we find out its area, putting the values in the formula. Now we solve it. This results 9040 centimeters square to three significant figures. Here is the statement of question number 5. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 32 centimeter, BC equal to 43 centimeters, and the angle ABC equal to 67 degree. In the first part, we have to find out the area of the triangle ABC. In second part, hence find the perpendicular distance from A to BC. Using the values in the formula, first we will find out area of the triangle ABC. This way, area of the triangle ABC we have calculated 633 centimeters square. In the second part, we have to find out the perpendicular distance of A from BC. To find out area of the triangle, you have studied in the previous classes that the base multiplied by height divided by 2. In this triangle ABC, we take BC as the base and AP as the perpendicular. Comparing this AP multiplied by 43 by 2 with the area of the triangle we have found in the previous part. Now we find out AP solving just like an equation. The perpendicular distance of A from BC, the distance AP, we have found here 29.5 centimeters. Statement of question. Here is the figure of this question. Part 1. Find out angle ACD. Part 2. The length AB. Part 3. The area of the triangle AED. Now to find out the angle ACD in the triangle ACD. You know it is a right angled triangle. Sine of the angle C equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This angle C equal to sine inverse of 3.7 by 8, 27.5 degree. In the second part, we are supposed to find out the length of AB. For the purpose, consider the triangle ABC, which is a right angled triangle. Now, cosine of 40.4 degree Part C focuses just the triangle AED. To find out area of the triangle AED, using the formula we have found area of the triangle AED equal to 6.22 centimeters square. Now statement of question number 8. In the triangle ABC, AB equal to 5x centimeter, AC equal to 4x centimeter, and the angle BAC equal to 68 degree. Given that the area of the triangle ABC is 97 centimeters square, find the value of x. It is the figure of the question. Now using the formula of area, using the formula to find out area of the triangle, we have completed the left side and on the right side written the given area 97. Now this is an equation, we solve it and find out the value of x. Then x square equal to 10.462. Taking square root both the sides comes x equal to 3.23 centimeter. Now the statement of question number 9. In the triangle PQR, angle PRQ equal to 55 degree, 3QR is equal to 4PR, and the area of the triangle PQR is 158 centimeters square. Now find the length of QR. It is the figure of this question, the triangle PQR, where we are given that 3QR is equal to 4PR. We suppose that this is all equal to x. This way, QR is equal to x by 3 and PR equal to x by 4. Here, area of the triangle is given as 158. Now, applying the formula for area of the triangle PQR, now we solve this equation to find out the value of x, then the value of QR, means the length QR. X square by 24 multiplied by sine 55 equal to 158. Now we solve it taking square root both the sides. X equal to 68.04. This way x equal to 68.04. Then QR is x by 3. So dividing this 68.04 by 3, the length of QR is 22.7 centimeter to three significant figures. Now the statement of question number 10. In the triangle XYZ, XY equal to 13 centimeter, YZ equal to 16.2 centimeter, given that the area of the triangle XYZ is 59.5 centimeter square, find the two possible values of the angle XYZ. It is all the given information. Now we use the formula for area of the triangle. This is how we have used the formula for area of the triangle and equate it to 59.5, which is given here. Sin y equal to this fractional value, and taking sine inverse both the sides gives us the required angle at the point y. This way angle XYZ equal to 34.4 degree. You know, sine of angle A equal to sine of 180 minus that angle A. So this way, if one angle we have got taking sine inverse 34.4, other would be its supplementary angle, which is 145.6 degree. So these are two values which are required here, 34.4 degree and 145.6 degree. Now the statement of question number 11. The length of each side of a rhombus is 15 centimeters. Given that the rhombus has an area of 40 centimeters square, find the angles of the rhombus. This is the rhombus whose area is 40 centimeters square. If I join its two opposite vertices, it will be turned into two identical triangles, each one having area half of it, means 20 centimeters square. In this rhombus ABCD, each side is of 15 centimeter. We will consider just the triangle ABD, where the area of the triangle is 20 centimeter square. Now using the formula for area of the triangle, 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by sine of the angle A by 2 equal to 20. Now sine A equal to 20 multiplied by 2 by 225. Now find out this angle A taking sine inverse both the sides. This way angle A equal to 10.2 degree. In this rhombus, as the opposite sides are parallel to one another, so the angle at point A and the angle at point B would be supplementary to one another. Why? Because of the interior angles. When angle A equal to 10.2 degree, this angle B would be equal to 180 minus 10.2. This way, angle at the point B we have calculated 180 minus 10.2 equal to 169.8 degree. As this is rhombus, so the opposite angles are equal to one another. This way, angle C would be equal to 10.2 degree and angle at point D would be equal to 169.8 degree. All the best. See you in the next lesson. Bye.